Share chat update time. Short video today. You're probably wondering what the heck I've been doing and how the twin engine project is going. So you are due for an update. I actually got burnt out on the twin engine Jeep project. I had it running, I had the coolant system hooked up, and I just wasn't excited about it anymore. So there's a mouse eating something back here. Sorry for the distraction. So I stripped it all down and started over. So let me show you what I'm actually building. So here it is. I took both engines out. I cut the frame again. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you probably saw that. And now it's shortened a little bit, but still longer than a flat fender. So I ended up around 94 inches wheelbase. I think I wanted it to be a little bit different, a little bit longer, kind of because I know how these perform off-road and how they drive, so I wanted something different. So let's talk about what you want to know is, since there's not two engines in it, what engine is in it. So I had to try something different that I hadn't seen yet, and so I went with this Chevy 250. So this is 250 cubic inch. These are the old school inline 6s with 7 main bearings. These things are pretty tough and reliable, and you can get some decent power out of them. Moving down the line to the drivetrain, this is the same gearbox setup that was on the twin engine Jeep. That was another reason the 250 appealed to me, because the bell housing from the 250 with the 3-speed bolted right up to the SM420 that I already had on that project. So, and it came with the starter, clutch, flywheel, everything, and it has a cable actuated clutch, really similar to the Jeep. So I think it's going to be pretty easy to adapt. So the SM420 and the Spicer 18, just like what was on this project before. You may notice the overdrive is gone. That was just to simplify things, and I don't really think I'm going to need it. These axles have 373 gears, so this is a 30 spline Dana 44 with one-piece axles. Then up front is a Dana 30. So I think what I'm going to do, because that puts my my crawl ratio around 60-1, which isn't going to be enough for me, so I'm probably going to put the 5-to-1 gears in there, and then I won't need the overdrive. I'll have 373s for on the road and about 130-1, because when you combine the 7-to-1 first gear of this with 5-to-1 in the transfer case, 373s are fine. I also have 488 axles, the same axles that I could swap in and go back to the overdrive, but we'll just kind of see how it comes together. And then I have a rear PTO for the SM420. So that's where this project is at as of today. Stay tuned. Right after I'm done filming this video, I'm starting on the power steering conversion and exhaust for this Jeep, or whatever it's going to be. I'll show you what I'm doing for the body as we move along, but I just want to give you an update, and stick around for the power steering and exhaust video. I'll try to give you a little more technical updates as I go. I haven't really been fabricating much lately. I've been just repairing stuff and doing videos and been busy, so hopefully we'll be ramping it up now as we move towards the holiday season. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.